Hey guys, it's Kiera. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified when I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my go-to glam makeup, and I'm also going to do this twist out ponytail. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. So of course I'm starting with my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and shade in the spots that need to be a little bit darker, and I'm using just a regular brow pencil that was like $2 from the beauty supply. My brows have a thick shape already, so I don't have to do too much shape into them. I just like to fill them in to make them darker. Next, I'm going to go in and highlight under my brow with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. This step is super important if you want like that snatched brow look, which I definitely want for this glam today. So yeah, I'm just shading under the brow and on top of the brow. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with a blend brush. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and shaped really nice. Then I'll go back in with that same concealer to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So now my eyes are ready for the shadow. So guys, I'm trying something new. It's a technique I saw Priscilla Ono, Rihanna's like lead makeup artist for Fenty Beauty. She tried this. So I'm using a Fenty matchstick in the shade Truffle to contour my eyelid. And yeah, I saw her do it on a model on Instagram. I'm like, let me try it, and I actually love the way it turned out. So this is like my new go-to. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend some more to make sure that this base color is pretty blended. So yeah, it's giving me like a nice soft round contour, and now I am ready for my eyeshadow. Okay, for my crease, I'm using Maybelline's Lemonade Crease palette, and I'm going in with the color Main Squeeze to give me like a nice little creamy nude type of gloss on my crease. And just to kind of deepen that contour on my lid, I use a soft brown bronzer by Sephora, and I'll link all of the information below. Now I'm using a tattoo liner by Kat Von D in the color Trooper Black. For lashes, I use Ardell Wispies, and I did double my lashes because my eyelid is long and I just wanted something full and pretty. For foundation, I use my NARS Sheer Glow in the color Caracas or Caracas. And I am obsessed with this foundation. It gives me pretty good coverage. It covers my discoloration without leaving me cakey. So I love this foundation. It's my new fave. For my under eye concealer, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel Caramel. This is my new favorite concealer. I am almost done with this bottle, and I'm gonna get more. Like, I'm obsessed with this concealer. I know I say I'm obsessed with a lot, y'all, but I really am obsessed with this concealer, and you can see that it's clearly like so bomb, and it just snatched that under eye. Okay, so yeah, I love this concealer. To lock in my concealer, I'm using a Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Yeah, I've been using this for a while and it works pretty good. To contour, I'm going back in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Truffle. This is the same matchstick I use to contour my eye. Y'all, it took me a while to learn how to contour, okay? And I'm not perfect with it, but I'm getting there, and you know, it's snatching his face a little bit. So yeah, shout out to Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty. Hey Rihanna. So yeah, let's get this contour together. I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder to define that contour. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend until all of the harsh lines are gone. Then next I'm going to go in with my NYX Nude To Me. It's like a bronzer blush just to add a little color to my cheeks. Then I'll go back in with that same bronzer from my Sephora Spice palette to kind of lock in and define that contour a little bit more, because y'all know we want to be a little snatched, right? Snatch their face real nice. Now I'm using a pretty pink blush by Tarte, and the color is Party. I love this blush. It's really soft and pretty. Then I'm going to use my Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit just to define my bottom lashes and, you know, give us a nice little look, y'all. I love bottom lashes. Now I'm using my MAC Mineral Finish highlighter in a color Gold Deposit to give me a nice little highlight on my nose. Finishing off my lip with a brown lip liner by NYX. Then I'm going in with a matte liquid lip stain by Tarte, and I'm going to finish off with Fenty Beauty gloss. Okay guys, this is my final look. This is my twist out ponytail and my go-to glam makeup. I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. Be sure to like, leave me a comment, let me know what y'all think, and subscribe. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.